Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an account on Hotmail. First open your Chrome and search up Microsoft.com. Here just click on create new account, input the Hotmail you want, and change it to Hotmail. Next, input a password, input your first and last name. Now you have to select your country and put your birth date. Now you just have to finish this verification and it would take a while, so I'll just skip it. Here, now that I am done, you have now successfully created a Hotmail account, and that's it.